very good morning. Today we are going to start the Southern Plateau. A plateau is a raised stretch of land that is flat at the top. It resembles a tabletop, hence it is also known as tableland. The Southern Plateau is triangular in shape and lies to the south of Narmada. It is broader in the north and narrower in the south. The Southern Plateau lies to the south of the northern plains and extended up to Kanyakumari, the southernmost tip of the India. The Southern Plateau is surrounded by hills. The rivers of this region are seasonal and not very big since they are dependent on the rains. The rivers in this plateau flow with great speed and even form waterfalls. The Jog Falls in Karnataka is one of the highest waterfalls in India. Narmada divides the huge plateau region into two parts, Central Highland in north and Deccan Plateau in the south. The Central Highlands are surrounded by Aravalli Hills in the northwest and Vindhya Range in the south and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east. The Central Highlands are drained by many rivers. Some of like Chambal and Son join the Ganga and Jamuna river system from the south. This region is rich in black soil that is good for growing cotton and sugarcane. Next is the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau has rocky and uneven terrain. It lies to the south of the Satpura Range and extends up to the southern tip of Peninsular India. The Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the western and eastern Ghat and both meets at the Nilgiri Hills. The Narmada and Tapi are the only rivers that flow towards the west and fall into the Arabian Sea. The Godavari is the longest river in the Deccan Plateau. Now the life in this region. The Southern Plateau covers the following states: Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and Tamil Nadu. The first is Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Indore, Gwalior and Jabalpur are some of the popular cities. The Kanha National Park and the Bandhavgarh National Park have been set up to protect the tigers. Wheat and cotton are the main crops grown here and Panna is famous for diamond mines. These national parks are set up to protect the tigers. Next is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh lies to the south of Chota Nagpur Plateau. Raipur is the capital of this state. This state is rich in minerals. The farmers of this state grow rice, linseeds, beetles and watermelons. Bhilai steel plant is located in this state. Next is Jharkhand. Ranchi is the capital of this state. This state is also rich in minerals and forest reserves. Jamshedpur, Bokaro and Dhanbad are important industrial cities and the Damodar river flow through the state. The next is Odisha. Bhubaneswar is the capital of this city and Puri is the city of temples. Rice and jute are the main crops. It is also famous for classical dance. The Jagannath temple and the famous Rath Yatra attract many tourists every year. Next is Maharashtra. It lies in the northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau and Mumbai is the capital city. Godavari and Krishna are the main rivers that flow through this state. Farmers here grow cotton, sugarcane and groundnuts. The soil of Maharashtra is formed from the lava rocks, so that's why this lava soil is also called black soil. This is a picture of cotton plants. The next is Karnataka. Bengaluru is the capital city. It is also famous as the center of information technology and the famous rivers are Krishna and Kaveri which flows through the state. Karnataka has a rocky landscape. People practice farming as the main occupation. They grow cotton, sugarcane, coffee, spices and jowar. The forests are famous for teak and sandalwood trees. Handicraft made out of sandalwood are famous all over the world. Next is Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The main occupation is farming. Farmers grow rice, jowar, sugarcane and groundnut. Kuchipudi is a popular dance form, and the Charminar, Slarganj Museum and Hussain Sagar Lake are popular tourist spots in Hyderabad. Tirupati is an important temple in Andhra Pradesh.